Hello, my viewers. Once again, I say welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome. Welcome. Don't forget that our Instagram handle is at Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. All right. Also on Facebook, you can go check us out and our beautiful reviews also. And then a quick one today, I just want to inform you that let's make all together. Let's make a very smart lightning lotion because of Funke. Funke. So this because of you. First of all, I'll do a review on five lotions, different lotions. Then okay, we see how we can make one uh, a unifying lotion, okay, a unifying lightning lotion for face and body. So let's quickly begin. Okay, don't forget that we train also. If you want us to train you, we can train you perfectly via video calls and all that. Okay, if you want one-on-one also, we can train you perfectly. You will get a certificate for it that can cover you, all right, because we are registered. And you want to get any of all these items, you want to get them for original, please, you can patronize us. We'll get them across to you wherever you are. Okay, so in a quick one, we'll be starting with this one. We have different type of blemish care, so we'll be starting with this blemish care whitening shower gel. All right, this one you asked me, Funke, if it works, and I wish I say it works. And then again, the pH level you ask about. A lot of people don't know what they mean pH. They've seen at Port Harcourt. No be Port Harcourt, oh. Hey, pH level is just we're trying to check the amount of the acidic level of it. Are you getting it? Or the basic acidic level of it. So it's very, very okay for us to use. So, and gradually you can use it, and you can also use it to promise. So it's very, very good for this one. So have that in mind. Okay, Funke, I did this because of you. All right, so have this in mind that everything you ask me is very, very, very possible. Okay, so don't be scared. Yes, it's a nice shower gel. So let's jump at the lotions. Okay, this lemon fresh body wash also, you know, this one I prefer this to some other uh body wash that we always use because not that they are original, they might be original, but because they are expensive, that was the reason you got them, and you thinking they are very, very perfect to use. All right, it's not by expensive. All right, you can still use all of those ones that are cheaper to do, and it will do the right thing to use. It will do the right thing. The thing is, get the original one, and the constant usage of it, that is what really matters. The constant usage of it and how it turn up to be on your skin. All right, that is why I will always tell you that if you can get the original anywhere you are, if you can get the original, it will work for you very, very effective. So lemon fresh, you can always go for lemon fresh. Other than that, I think it's a go for it. All right, so that is that. When I say if you buy from us, that is when you get the original. You might not really take it serious, but take it serious because I will make sure I go as far deep to make sure I get you the original, not just because I want to make money then and sell for you. All right, be serious. Do you know all these things? You can also promise them yourself. You can promise them with original powders that you know you can use, that it will work for you, in as much to Giga White, Sippy White, what is it called, Snow White, not the cheap one. Don't go get all this powder like I said. I got, like you were telling me the other day, Ejiro was telling me the other day, oh, I got my powders 15,000. I got one 90,000. So you is like what you're telling me is quite different. Yes, you got them that price, but when you use them, did they work? They didn't. That was why you came back. Are you getting it? So now you went to do your own thing. All right, that is perfect. I appreciate you for taking a bold step, but that is waste of money though, because you came back and you got the expensive one from me. So what's up? All right, so as for us, that we know vividly that we always promise, please get the right powders. Okay, if you get the right powders and you mix them to your shower gel, they will work. Okay, in a quick one, let's dive into these lotions. All right, I just did those body wash because of people really asked about it, so let's dive into this body toner. All right, this one is clarifying skin beauty milk. Wow, I don't know if you've heard about this before, because some time ago I was really using this lotion on myself, and then it was the original one. Like this one I'm holding also is original, but now most of the lotion, I tell you, they try to make them something cheaper. So I don't even know if it's the company who do all that anyway, because when the price comes cheaper, the quality reduces, trust me. All right, and it's very obvious that when they call it a treatment lotion body milk, yes, it is what it is. I won't lie to you, because all those while I was using it were just too perfect when I mean perfect. So if you're thinking of going to it and use this one, very very perfect. And I want you quickly to look at it so that you're not going to ask me what's the name again. I call it body treat and I call it magic toner. Yes, it is what it is, but the rename is clarifying skin beauty milk. So look at it properly and make sure you get the original one, and you can premix it. If you want to premix it, it is simple. You don't need to even need to put powders and all that. No, you just get some right tube, original tubes, like 1 or 2 tubes, and get moisturizing oil, and then you get maybe one of those lightening oil. So is a go. You what you need to do, just blend proper, then is a go. All right, look at it. Okay, then again, I just want to show you this one. A lot of people, they use this a lot. All right, yes, I know you guys know this one too. It's still the same Mazin toner product, like complexion mix. This one is a complexion mix. So if you feel like, oh, maybe I don't want to get too white, I don't want to, because the truth is constant usage can really make this thing, everybody body different, it's a different body, different type. So if you get this original one, you can, let me open it for you, you can always count on it. It works a lot. Look at it, it works very very well. It works a lot, you see. And if you want to promise it, you can promise it, but I would always want to say, let a moisturizer be on it. All right, let your vitamin E also always be on it also. All right. So if you want to do excessive whitening premixing, make sure you always check the pH level, because that is what is killing people. As at this time, a lot of people will be burning their skin because the sun is really weird right now, hot. All right, so please, you can use them and use them safely. That is it. Like what I said, I will be dropping a lot of reviews on body lotions and shower gel this time. So that is it for this one. So let me show you another one before we go to the premixing. Okay, so we did talk about the lemon fresh, which is we talked about the lemon fresh body wash, which is this. Now this is the lotion, this is the body wash, this is the lotion. All right, yes, these are lotions I know that I can really vouch for as well too. You can use it to promise and it will work effectively. Depend on your skin type in a way, but it will work effectively. And when you're considering the powders, or you're considering the oils, or you consider with mostly the oils, you're considering the oil, you should think of citrus oil, the one I advertised the other time, or Blema oil or Malawi oil. You should always think of those oil. Those are real oil. Instead of you using all these small what's they call concentrate serums and all that, I would advise you to use a good moisturizing organic oil. Then use what is it called, industrial oil, like those ones are advertised. Yes, it's a go for you. You will see your body will see, like way back when I used to lighten my skin, you can see that I'm a little bit darker because for the past how many months now I haven't touched my skin. I've been just using moisturizing because I just, like I always want to use any product I make. So there's a new product I'm trying to bring aboard, so we're still doing experiment on it. So that because it's just moisturizing and on one shade lighter also. So I'm working on that's what I'm using right now. So but if you try to do your own thing, try to promise, for those of us who promise, you can use this also, right? If you don't want to use expensive one, you don't want to use, you can think of lotions like Irish Gold also. So but if you want to use expensive one, you can go use expensive one like glutathione, but this one is okay. So you know how to, what you do, you put the right additives, that's all. Okay, so now a quick one, let's promise this together now. So guys, let's see how we can promise this lemon fresh, this lemon fresh lotion now. Let's see how we can promise it, because I've told you, if you're promising, it's all right here. If you're promising, it's right here, because the, how will I put it, the pH level, always consider that, so that you will not hit yourself down with some side effect. Okay, so now first of all I will say, okay, let's control this with our stretch mark oil, right? We put our stretch mark oils that we can use. We have all our stretch mark oil, but let's say, okay, we use this one, perfect leg. Yes, everybody knows shining perfect leg, all right? So, and which we know that, yes, not only one thing it does, okay, yes, it have a tendency of removing um very varicose, rugal, and it has a lot of things to remove. It can remove, also it can remove green vein as well too, and I'm so concerned about the ingredient. Okay, hydroxy sodium, okay, glycerin. There's something I'm trying to see. Okay, yes, this one is the original as well also. So with this perfect leg, trust me, with this one, you add this one to that lemon fresh, then you add this one also, this castor oil. Yes, you add this one, then you have, okay, let me give you the measurement anyway. You have this, you add this one 3 spoon, all right? Okay, then you add this one, like you add like 50 ml, because let's make the lotion oily, all right? But if you that type, you don't want your lotion to be oily, you can reduce it. So but other than that, let's make it oily, so make 50 ml of it. Then you add this pimentos. This pimentos, why? Because we just want to step it from one shade to like 3 shades, so we add this pimentos. All right, we add this one, add one, because before you try to bring it out and all that, you must have really, get stuck inside and all that. So save you some loss about it, because some of them you have to pour water to rinse it from the bottle to be economical. Okay, but just use one. Okay, then let's use because we try to make a face and body lotion. So now we use our clean cap. This is the gel, but don't use the gel. Okay, use the cream. All right, use the cream, please. And if you use it, just use like half of it. All right, then you use your what's it, 3 beta cream. You use this one, use one of it. All right, then you put your bata also. Okay, you use one of it also. So then when we talk about the oils we are using, okay, you use this AHA, you put like at least put 3 spoons. Okay, all right, okay, then we put our carrot white oil also. Unless if you are allergic to carrot white, you can put any of that whitening oil. All right, so with this, then you put your what is it called, you put your preservative. All right, put 1 spoon. Then you put your fragrance to just stir the spice, the aroma again. All right, then you blend properly, then start using it. You'll see what I'm telling you. You'll see it will look like something else that you haven't seen before, but the truth is you must have seen it, but you wasn't just learning then. So now all this after, you just go try it. Retalk, just go try, you see the result. Absolutely. All right, so we've come to the end of the review and the DIY we just check out now. Okay, so it is very easy for you. But if you know you can't do that, you can always place your order so that we can give you. We have good customized body lotions for 7 days. If you want to tone up for 7 days, yes, original lotion that you will use. You will know that yes, this is a lotion. Okay, you can see, go and check our Instagram and see amazing reviews. All right, see amazing reviews. Okay, so go check our Instagram out, and don't forget that we train also. If you want to buy in wholesale, we sell also. Okay, like every day we ship to US, Canada. All right, so we try, in as much you load this much, we try to step it to stick it to a 1 day thing, maybe every Thursday, but yet the still the sales is still much that we bless God, so we ship every day, so we ship everywhere as well too. All right, so if you need powerful oils and powders, please count on us. Us the Global Cosmetic and Skincare. We no be usual. We are large. When we say we large, we global and we large, and we can take that to your doorstep also. So trust me on that. You hear me?